Welcome to class 9 of Java, where we are going to understand about download and installing the Eclipse and executing Java programs in Eclipse. So let us understand first of all how to download and install Eclipse. Eclipse is a software which is generally used for what developing the Java applications. It may be what I mean to say is core Java applications, or it may be advanced Java applications. Okay, so it is recommended to use Eclipse software for developing the Java programs. You can also use some other IDEs also, but I recommend to use what Eclipse. So let us see how to download and install the Eclipse. So first of all, what you need to do here it is you open the Chrome. Okay, in the Chrome you type download Eclipse for Java. Okay, so when you type and search for this particular content, you will be getting like this, please. Okay, you will get the page like this. In this, what you do is you go to here www.eclipse.org downloads. Okay, this particular page you better go. Okay, so I open in the new tab, open the link in the new tab. So here, so in this case you can see, just scroll down and here you click on the download. Okay, so you click on this particular download button. So I click on the download so that it will navigate to the next page. Now you just click on this particular download button once again so that this particular file will be downloaded. Okay, so already I have downloaded, therefore I will show from here this is what the file that is downloaded. Okay, so I show in the downloads folder. Okay, so you can see that this is what the file downloaded. Now once this file is completely downloaded, you double click on this particular file. Okay, you double click on this file and wait some time. You will be getting what this particular window. So this is Eclipse installer window you will be getting, where it will show you the different IDEs to install. So you select here, you select what the second option, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java. Okay, so this is what you select, please. I repeat once again, please. Let me go back. Okay, so let me go back here. What you do, please? Okay, right, you select this particular second option, so that in this particular thing you can execute what the SE edition programs, means core Java programs, as well as enterprise Java programs, both you can execute. Okay, standard edition programs, core Java, that is next one is what enterprise edition, that is what web applications you can develop in this particular thing. Therefore you select this particular option, second option, and just click on what install. That's it, it will install. Okay, it will take some time, please, and see that your system is connected to the internet. Okay, it takes some time and it will install. So as already I have installed, therefore I am closing this particular thing. Okay, once it is installed, what happens is you will be getting an icon on the desktop. This is what the icon that you will be getting on the desktop, like what Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Development 2024, something that you will be getting. Okay, now you double click on this particular icon. So this particular icon you double click on. So you double click on this Eclipse icon so that now it will slowly opens. It will take some time again. Okay, wait please, this window will be opened. But before this window also, it will ask you to see, it will ask like this, it will ask, let me show you. Okay, this is the first window that you are going to get before this particular major window. Okay, so this you will be getting. So what you need to do here it is, first of all, what you need to do here it is, let me say that. Okay, let me go here. Now what you do is, in the D drive, what you do is, first of all, you create one folder, Java Eclipse programs. Okay, so I created one folder already, please. You created folder Java Eclipse programs in the D drive or C drive, wherever it may be. Okay, you create this particular folder. Now whenever you get this particular window, let me say that. Okay, whenever you get this particular window, so this is what we call as select a directory or workspace. Whenever you get this particular window, what you do, browse and go to what, your D drive, and select that particular window. Okay, that folder, let me say that this is Java Eclipse program, that you have to select it, and then you click on what, launch. Okay, then you click on the launch, so that now what happens here it is, you will be getting this particular IDE. This is what we call as Eclipse IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. I repeat, integrated development environment, where you can develop your Java programs. So all tools are available here to develop and execute your Java programs. Okay, so this is a welcome window. Close this welcome window first of all. Okay, close this particular welcome window. So this is what we have seen how to Okay, install and open Eclipse. Now I am going to show you how to execute Java programs. Okay, so let us see how to execute the Java programs. Let's say that, so before this Eclipse is installed, please install the Java software. Already in the previous videos I have shown how to install, download and install Java. Okay, Java first of all you have to install, then you have to install what? Eclipse. Okay, fine. Now what we do is we go here like file, and we say that new, and we go to what? Here actually this dynamic web project means websites. To develop the website, here this option you have to select, but we are now learning the what, core Java, therefore go to what? Others, please. Okay, new. Okay, I repeat again, file new, and go to what? Others. Okay, others. Here you select what? Java project, and click on what? Next, please. Okay, Java project I'm selecting, next. And now here you give the project name. What's the project name? Let me say that first project. Let's say that first project. Okay, first project I'm giving. And here you will be getting automatically the environment, that is what we call as JRE, Java environment. You will get what is your Java version is Java standard edition 17. Okay, this is automatically will be selected. And when you come down here, you see here there is a module present, please. Okay, you deselect this particular checkbox, please. Remember, deselect this particular checkbox, create module info.java. Okay, right. Then click on what? Finish. Now just click on finish. That's it, enough. This is what, click on the finish, and a project will be created. Okay, and here also you say what? The perspectives, don't open the perspective, say no. Okay, now you can see that this is what here, this particular project explorer you will be getting here, please. Okay, this is a project explorer. Fine. So here this is the project, first project that is created. Now here you can see, please. Okay, if this this is the project that is created, and if project explorer is not visible from here, okay, if the project explorer is not visible here, what you need to do is window, here what is that is show view, and you can go here what? Project explorer, so that it will be visible. Okay, now so let me minimize this one, please. Okay, right, let's say restore it. Okay, so this is what the project explorer. So let us say that in this particular thing, please, in the src folder, what you do is you create a class. Let me create a class. Right click and go here, now I create what? So on this particular src folder, right click. Okay, right click on the src folder and say what? New, and here you can say what? Class. Okay, new class. So one class will be created over here. Let us see here what happens. One class name you give it here. The class name is, let us say that okay, let's say that my first program. Okay, my first program, PRG I give. Okay, my first program. Let us say that, and you select here what? Public static void main. This is what the checkbox you selected, so that the main method will be added in the class. So click on finish, and you see here one class will be one class will be created in what? Default package will be created, in that my first PRG is what? Created. So this is what happens. It is my first PRG class. Okay, so let me increase the font. So this is what the class that is created. Okay, now what we do here, it is here we have to write the code. You can write the code over here, right? Like system dot. Okay, so when you type dot, you will be getting what? All the IntelliSense, or what all the options you are going to it is going to show. So when you type the system and dot, it will show all the options that are available with the system class. Okay, this is called as IntelliSense. Okay, dot, I can say that dot out dot, what I can say that println method. Okay, println method. Here I am going to write the code. Okay, so welcome to Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse, this is what I can write Eclipse, right? Then save the program. Here I click on the save button, and here you can say what? Run. This is the run button. So click on this run button, so that the program will be executed, and you can see the output over here. Is it okay? Right, so this is the output that you can see from here. Okay, suppose if you want to create another program, what you do is you can say that in the project, in single project, you can add any number of classes. You can add. So again, right click on this particular default package, or it may be src folder. Okay, and say new, and here we say what? Class. and here I'm going to say that add program. I'm going to write add, just to type add, no need to type .java. Okay, name is add. Again I'm going to add public static void main, again finish. Okay, and here addition of two numbers program I'm going to write integer a comma b comma c. I can say a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b, and I'm going to write. So you need not to type complete system.out.print. What you do is sys out. Okay, you press sys out, and after typing the sys out you press control space bar. Control space bar you type it, so that it will type everything for you here, system.out.println, and the complete statement you will be getting. Okay, once again I will tell you. So how to generate the statement: sys out and press control space bar, so that the statement you will be getting. Now we can see that c is equal to plus what, c. That's it. Now I save the program, save it, and execute this particular program. So execute it, run it, and you will see the output over here. Like this you can create any number of programs in this particular package. Okay, so this is what my first and what add.java program. Okay, don't get confused with this second thing. Okay, these are two programs that you can see here. Okay, fine, right? This is how we can add the can create the Java programs. Fine. So this is what the folder, in this expand it and src folder. Here you can get the program. So any program that you want to open, double click on it, so that the program will be opened here. Fine. So this is how can we, like this you can create another. Suppose if you want to create another project, what you need to do, file, again say what, new, and go to what, others. Okay, others, and select what, Java project here, and click on next, and you give another project name. Let me say that second project I am giving, second project, and here you deselect the checkbox create module info.java and click on finish, and select what, no, so that you will get what, again here second project. Right click on the src folder and select what, new, and what you say is class. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to write the program called as what, square. Okay, square program, square, and select what, public static void main, and click on finish. And here you write the code for square of a number. So n comma, what I can say is square, then n is equal to, once again I'm explaining, n is equal to, and you can say that square is equal to n into n, and sys out, press control and space bar, and I can say that square is equal to plus square. Okay, plus square. That's it. After that, save the program, run the program, and you will get the output. Suppose if you are having any errors, suppose I removed here what, the semicolon. Now I run the program. What happens if I run the program? So when I run the program, it gives what, errors. Okay, it shows the error. See, it is showing the error here itself. What is the error? Just move the mouse pointer onto it, and you see that there is an error that okay, insert semicolon to complete statement. Like this you can see the errors. Is it clear? Suppose if any mistakes is present over here, right? Let's say that. So it's giving error. So you move the mouse pointer onto it. So say that here create local variable square. So this is the square variable you are using, but here the variable you have created is without u. Okay, so therefore make the corrections the variable. Like this you read the error messages and try to rectify, and then you have to run the program to get the output over here. Is it clear now? Right? So this is, after that what you need to do is you close this particular IDE. So like this you can close the IDE. Got it clear? Right? So like this you can, so whenever you want to open the IDE again, you just double click on this particular IDE. So it's Eclipse IDE, so that it will open once again. So it takes some time. Okay, fine. This is what, how can you open it, right? So here let me show you again. So this is what so it takes some time to open the IDE, please. This is what it is opening, right? This is what happens with this, right? If you want, you can see the programs present in the previous case. Okay, like this you can see the programs, right? And whichever the program you want to select, run. So select that program, select the program, and then run the program. Then run the program. This is the run button. You can run, so that you'll get the output over here. Okay, fine. I'm closing here. So this is what, please install and execute the Java programs in the Eclipse. Okay.